Are you struggling to get the scalp effect with your wig cap or your frontal wigs? Then watch this video. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to lay your wig cap for a frontal wig. Here are some of the products that you will need. Before you do your frontal wig or you lay your frontal, you have to make sure your foundation is flat. So as you can see, my hair is already flat in cornrows. That means it's ready. I'm going to start with my got to be glued and my edge brush. And we are going to use the got to be glued, right, and the edge brush to brush away all our baby hairs. Now that that is done, I'm going to take my hair dryer on a cool setting and completely dry it. Make sure it's completely dried before I put on the wig cap. Now that we have laid the edges out of the way, I'm going to take my wig cap, give it a bit of stretch. Okay, then I'm going to put it on. Going in with my got to be glued holding spray, and again I'm going to spray all over my edges just to hold the cap down. Now I like to be generous on my edges on the side of my head, because this side tends to lift quite quickly. So I like to be generous with the got to be glue holding spray. So now that this is done, I'm going to take, once again, my hair dryer on a cool setting and dry it. I want to make sure that it is completely dry. So because I put quite a lot of the holding spray on the side of my hair, it takes quite some time for it to dry. So I'm going to keep focusing on the two sides. I think here it's dry, as you can see. The side is dry as well, but just left with a bit of the side. Now it is all completely dried, so I'm going to go in with my headband. Okay, and guys, look, it is from my business. Okay, if you want one, just order a wig and this will come with your hair. This is so good. It is not too tight and it's long as well, so no matter how big your hair is, it will fit perfectly. Going in, and I want it to be very tight, so I'm going in with it like this. Okay, now first of all you have to make sure this was dried before you put it on. Now that this is on, we are going to wait for about 10 minutes, then we will take it off. Beauty is pain, guys. Doing frontal is not for the weak. You have to have time. Okay, you need to be patient. Frontal, you have to be patient and go through all the process if you want your frontal to lay and look natural, and that is what we are doing. Whilst I'm waiting for this to melt, right, I'm going to go in with my scissors and just cut So free. Well, now we wait. Now 10 minutes is up and I'm going to take it off. Beauty is pain, remember. We will cut it, but before we do, I'm going to apply my makeup on. Okay, I'm going to use my foundation and my brush. My foundation is liquid. If you have a cream foundation, it's even more better, but I don't have a cream foundation currently, so I'm going to use my liquid foundation. Because I'm using the liquid foundation, right, I am going to go in and dab gently. Make sure I don't have too much, because at the end of the day, we don't want too much liquid on the edge, otherwise the cap will start lifting. So now that my makeup is on, I'm just going to go back in with my, you guessed it, got to be spray, and I'm going to spray on it just to set the makeup in. Then I'm going back in to make sure, on the true setting, to make sure that it's dry. Because remember, I use a liquid foundation, so I want everything to be dry so that when we lay the frontal, there will be no movement basically. So I'm going to set the makeup in. It's a time for cutting, okay? Now you can do it with the scissors or the razor scissors, because I haven't finished with cutting the ear sides. Oh my gosh. All right. Ooh. So free. Yeah. So now you see, because it is completely dry, it is not lifting, okay? So we're going to continue with that cutting, and I'll continue with the scissors. Starting from the middle. Oh, before I forget, we need to go in with that tail comb to try and see if any side is lifting, okay? I almost forgot that step. Hold on. All right. So now I'm just going to, anywhere that I oversprayed, I'm just trying to lift it up. Going back in with the scissors to continue. And we're going to cut in the zigzag method, okay? Now I'm just going to go back in, right? And with the scissors, I'm going to cut any part of the cup that is still in. I will go back in with my got to be spray. Just spray a little bit on my hand. Use the tail comb, but this time I really have to work fast so I can put down all those ones that are trying to, that was left that I didn't cut quickly. You can also go through the same process with your fingers, okay? So, but you just have to work through it very quickly. The next step is going back in there again to lay this down. We'll wait for about 15 to 20 minutes, okay? 15 to 20 minutes, then we are good to go. It's been more than 20 minutes now, and I'm going to take off the headband, the elastic band. Wash. Oh. Yay! Yay! So, this is how you cook your wake cow. I mean, clock it. Clock it. Clock it. Oh, this is so nice. Anyway, this is how you lay your wig cap to make it look like a natural scalp. I hope this video was helpful and you were able to learn one or two things. If you were, then please like this video and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video where it's an actual tutorial on how to install a frontal on this wig cap. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.